The naptime content automation setup, the baby is finally sleeping. You have maybe 30 minutes before the next meltdown, the next snack request, the next crisis that only you can solve. And someone online just told you that you need to post 3 times a day, batch a month of content, and show up on 5 platforms to build a business. Let me be clear, that advice wasn't written for you. It was written by someone who has a team, childcare, and 8 uninterrupted hours. You don't have that, and you shouldn't need it. Here's what you actually need: a content system that runs while you're wiping noses. A business model where you build the machine once, and it works whether you're present or not. That's not laziness. That's strategy. Today, I'm walking you through the exact content automation business setup that lets you generate income without being chained to your phone. This is for beginners. This is for mothers. And this is built for the life you're actually living. Let's build it. Content automation is not about going viral. It's about creating assets that work on repeat. Think of it like this. You're not a performer. You're an architect. You design the system, and the system does the selling. The model is simple. You create high-value content once. You distribute it across multiple platforms using scheduling tools. You monetize through affiliate links, digital products, or ad revenue. And you do all of this without needing to be online every single day. This works because platforms reward consistency, not perfection. A solid piece of evergreen content posted strategically will outperform 10 rushed posts made in real time. The algorithm doesn't care if you're sleep-deprived, it cares if your content keeps people watching. Here's the framework. 3 core phases. Each one can be built during nap time. Phase 1 is content creation in batches. You're not making content every day. You're creating it in focused windows and stockpiling it like a prepper hoards canned goods. Pick one format: short-form video, carousel posts, email newsletters, blog articles. Just one. The mistake most moms make is trying to do everything. You don't need to dance on TikTok and write long-form blogs and host a podcast. You need one repeatable format that you can execute in under an hour. Let's say you choose short-form video. You batch record 10 videos in one sitting. Same outfit, same background, different scripts. You're not reinventing the wheel every time. You're running a production line. The secret is using templates. You create one successful video structure and you replicate it. Same hook format, same pacing, same call to action. You're not being repetitive, you're being efficient. Market data shows that top-performing content creators reuse proven frameworks across dozens of pieces. If you're wondering which tools make this easier, I linked a budget ring light in the description that's under $30. It won't change your life, but it will make your videos look intentional instead of frantic. You don't need the influencer setup, you need decent lighting and a phone. Phase 2 is automation and scheduling. This is where most people quit because they think it's complicated. It's not. You're literally just deciding when your content goes live, and you're letting software handle it. Use a scheduling platform, Meta Business Suite for Facebook and Instagram. Later or Buffer for multi-platform. YouTube has native scheduling. Pick the tool that covers your main platform and schedule everything at once. Here's the rhythm. You batch create content on Monday during nap time. You schedule it for the next 2 weeks. You walk away. The content posts whether you're changing diapers or hiding in the pantry eating crackers. This is not about being absent. It's about being intentional. You're still engaging with comments. You're still checking analytics. But you're not scrambling to post every single day because you built margin into your system. The real power here is repurposing. One piece of content becomes 5. A video becomes a carousel. A carousel becomes a blog post. A blog post becomes an email. You're not creating more. You're maximizing what you already made. Top sellers typically extract 3 to 5 pieces of secondary content from every primary asset. That's not hustle. That's architecture. Phase 3 is monetization. You've built the system. Now you make it pay. Affiliate marketing is the simplest entry point. You recommend products you actually use. You add your affiliate link, and you earn a percentage when someone buys. No inventory, no customer service, no shipping. Choose one affiliate program to start. Amazon Associates is beginner-friendly but has low commissions. ShareASale and Impact have higher-paying programs if you're in specific niches like parenting gear, home organization, or wellness. Pick one. Apply. Get approved. Add links to your content. The key is relevance. If you're posting about morning routines, link the planner you use. If you're talking about meal prep, link the containers. If you're sharing focused strategies, link noise-canceling headphones. The product should solve a problem you just described. Do not oversell. Your audience is not stupid. They can smell desperation. You mention the tool naturally. You explain why it helps, and you move on. The link is there if they want it. If they don't, your content still delivered value. Digital products are the next level. Ebooks, templates, checklists, mini-courses. You create it once, you sell it forever. Market data shows that even small digital products in the $10 to $30 range can generate passive income when paired with consistent content. Ad revenue works if you're building on YouTube or a blog. YouTube pays once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's not fast money, but it's real money. Blogs monetize through display ads with platforms like Mediavine or AdThrive. Once you hit traffic thresholds, the strategy is simple. Start with affiliate links while you build. Add a low-ticket digital product once you understand your audience. Layer in ad revenue as your traffic grows. You're stacking income streams, not chasing one big payday. Let's talk about the reality check. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a build-a-trite-one system. The first month, you're setting up, you're figuring out your format, your tools, your rhythm. You're probably not making money yet. That's normal. The second month, you're refining. You're seeing what content performs. You're adjusting your templates. You're building your library. The third month, you start seeing traction. Not necessarily income, but momentum, comments, shares, people asking questions. That's when you know the system is working. Income follows attention. You can't monetize an audience you don't have. So the first goal is not revenue, it's reach. Build the asset. The money comes after. If you're doing this right, you're spending 3 to 5 hours per week on content creation and scheduling. That's doable. That's nap time and post-bedtime. That's the time you're currently scrolling anyway. To save you the headache, I put a link to the planner that actually keeps me on track in the description. It's designed for time blocking, which is the only planning method that works when you have zero predictability in your day. Here's what this really means. You're not just building a side hustle. You're building autonomy. You're building a system that doesn't require you to ask permission to take a sick day. A system that doesn't punish you for putting your kids first. A system that grows while you're living your life. That's the difference between a job and an asset. A job pays you for your time. An asset pays you for your design. You're a mother. You already know how to build systems. You've built routines, meal plans, schedules that keep tiny humans alive. This is the same skill set. You're just applying it to income. The content automation model works because it respects your reality. It doesn't demand that you perform. It demands that you plan. And planning is something you already do every single day. So here's what you do next. Pick your format, batch your first 10 pieces, schedule them, add one affiliate link, see what happens. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be polished. You need to be consistent. And consistency is a choice, not a personality trait. Build the system. Let it run. Adjust as you go. You've got this. Disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or business advice. Earnings and results vary based on effort, market conditions, and strategy. Always do your own research before starting any business. Some links in the description may be affiliate links.